Sick and tired of the PhysX Cooking Library DLL crash stopping your play? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's repair the link between your engine and hardware right now. Before we begin our PhysX Cooking Library walkthrough, you can try the suggested utility to help clear environment conflicts and save time. This DLL file is an NVIDIA PhysX utility library used for pre-processing 3D collision geometry. It converts complex mesh data into an optimized format that the PhysX engine can process rapidly during real-time game execution. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. The presence of the PhysX Cooking Library DLL error indicates that your graphics runtime needs attention. I recommend using the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime installer to fix legacy DirectX components, followed by a driver update to support any underlying hardware-accelerated files. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the PhysX Cooking Library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Do not compromise your computer's health by sourcing the PhysX Cooking Library DLL from random internet mirrors, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts designed to bypass standard antivirus protocols. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. For users seeking a more stable workstation, the utility linked below references the PhysX Cooking Library configuration concepts. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including complex PhysX Cooking Library dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.